Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Annalyn Paz. I was born on January 27, 1982. I am 32 years old. I live at Palo Alto, Calamba, Laguna, Philippines. I am a hardworking person. I worked before at Mrs. Elena Rios' house for 2 years. I also know how to take care of babies, children, and elders. I also know how to do the household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking the food, washing clothes, ironing, and gardening. I want to go Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family needs, especially the studies of my children. If I hired, I promise I will do my best as I can, and I will serve my employer honestly. Thank you.